Hello friends, today here I am with a very new topic, that is how to utilize this precious time for the preparation of the Neet PG 2021. As you all know, the exam is delayed by whatever period of time, nobody knows. So more than 75% of the students are losing confidence as the revision part is over for them, but they are not able to decide what to do next. More than 50% of the students are not freshers, so they will only know the pain of this delay in the exam, and more than 90% of the students will experiencing some unwanted stress and anxiety over this delay in the exam. But all we have to do something in order to maintain the rhythm in the examination preparation. That is very important, because if the rhythm is lost, then the fruitful result will not come in the examination. Now the question is what we have to do. So there are certain words like avoid carelessness, be indisciplined, be in your strict revision schedule, be energetic, as you all are before 18th of April. But I think that these words are not enough. These words are not enough. We have to create some strict planning, some proper planning, some target oriented plan of action must be there. So as you all are intelligent, my dear friends, you have the capacity to make revision plans according to you, because you have the study material with you. But if you are facing any problem in that, if you are not confident in making that revision plan in for this particular period of time, then you must take help from some institutes also, because I just going to cross one day schedules announced by a variety of the institutes, but I personally like the schedule announced by one of the premier institute, that is Marrow. Yes, my dear friends, they are coming with some very simple things like 4 measures by the Marrow, hashtag we are with you. So what is we are with you? Hashtag we are with you test schedule is there. Hashtag we are with you live sessions are also there. Some short-term plans of 1 or 2 months are there. New type of plan C limited edition is also there. Now what is we are with you test schedule? There are 7 mini tests in that, which are already started on 20th of April. One national Neet PG mock is going to be announced on the 5th of May for all of you, which is free for you, right? And also there is provision of additional test. Now what are live sessions? Second thing is live sessions. 30 minutes duration live session is there, in which the clinical MCQ discussions by the a variety of faculty members in their respective subjects are there, like Dr. Rohan Khandelwal sir, or like in PSM MCQs by Dr. Mukh Mohit Singh, Pharmac MCQs by Dr. Ranjan Kumar Patel, etc. etc. Short-term plan of 1 or 2 months is also there. New type of plan C limited edition. But in this, if you have to buy any plan, if you buy any plan, that will increase your validity of the existing plan, and that validity will be added to the existing plan if you buy any plan. No, you may go for some short-term plans like plan B, as practically many of the students will depend on the Marrow question bank and test series. So even during the day of the exam, these tools are very helpful. It is a low cost plan, so either you may take it for 1 month, 3 months or 6 months. Plan C, as you all know, is a full Marrow access plan, but plan C limited edition is very unique thing. Why it is unique? Because there is nothing to lose in it. You are not wasting your money if you are going to buy this plan C limited edition plan. It is a special 12-month plan for those who are focusing on the Neet PG 2022. But also, if you are serious in this 2021 exam, and if you are going to acquire seat in the Neet PG 2021 exam, then there is assured refund. There's provision of the assured refund, right? And if by some circumstances you are not going to succeed it in this Neet PG 2021, so it will be good for you, because it's a special 12 months plan in which 2 months bonus is also there. 5 special marathons are there. Rupees 800 discount on the notes is also there. Full access to the videos, question bank and tests are there. plan is good for the interns or those who just want to test the waters this year. So this is very good plan, and personally I think it's a very good plan for all of you, because there is nothing to lose, and if you get assured, if you get a seat in the medical college, then you have the uh, you know uh, you fall in the category of the assured refund also, right? So this is the things. And if you are existing pro users and whose plan is about to expire, so this is a very good plan for them also, right? So the important is that if you buy any short term plan, right, short term plan, and if the exam will get postponed by some more months, then the marrow will not extend its validity. So I think this plan C limited edition is very good for all of you. In this way, the variety of the institutes are there which are providing very useful plan of actions at this particular moment of time. uh, mind you students, if you are not able to make your plan, then go for all these things. And if you are self sufficient to make your plan, then stick to your basics, don't deviate from your basics, just stick to it, and make your concepts more make your concepts more fruitful for you in order to recapitulate all the things in the examination. So this is all up to you. I'm just there to suggest you some things. If you are confused, if you're not able to make your plan very nicely, then you may go for it also. So in short, just be confident, and the exam date will be announced very soon. So be focused. Thank you. Stay tuned.